morning, student. Today's topic is statistical quality control, SQC. It is the scientific technique of controlling quality by means of statistical method. SQC is the technique of applying statistical method based upon the mathematical theory of probability to quality control problem with the purpose of establishing quality standards and maintaining devotion to those standards in cost economical manner. What are the significance of SQC? It gives early signal to defect. It provides a mean of detecting the error at inspection, helps to maintain the customer relation by ensuring very high quality of system. It serves as a mean of determining the capability of the manufacturing process to turn out products with prescribed specifications. There are 7 tools of statistical quality control. First is Pareto chart diagram. It indicates what are the problems, which problem needs to tackle on priority, what percentage of the total does each problem present. Area of applications are sales, production, maintenance, safety and finance. Second is histogram. It is the bar graph which follows the frequency distribution of data of a group about the central value. The histogram is an important diagnostic tool because it gives a bird's eye view of the variation in the data set. A histogram can be used for comparisons of process distribution before and after the improvement action, comparison of different groups and relationship between specification limits. Third is cause and effect diagram. A cause and effect diagram, also known as Ishikawa diagram or fishbone diagram, in a pictorial representation of all possible causes which are supposed to influence an effect which is under consideration. They can be classified under man, method, material, machine, policies, procedure, plant, etc. Fourth is check sheet. A check sheet is a data gathering format prepared in such a way that the data collection is simplified. The check sheet preparation considers the representatives of the information to be recorded and simplifies the data that is to be actually recorded every time to a mere check work. Check sheet are simply and easy to understand form used to answer the question how often center events are happening. Fifth is stratifications. The stratification is the technique of obtaining data in different groups based on segregated causes. In general, the poor quality is resulted due to the influence of multiple causes. To identify the principal cause of poor quality, it is necessary to collect the data in different groups according to the different causes. Sixth is scatter diagram. Scatter diagram is a simple statistical tool to understand in a better way the relationship between two variables. It makes clear whether a relationship exists between two variables and the strength of the relationship. And the last is control chart. A control chart is a chart to examine whether a process is in stable condition or to ensure the process is maintained in stable condition. The control limits are indicated by two lines, by upper control limit and lower control limit. If the points are within the control limits, then the process is in the stable conditions. The fluctuation of the points within the control limit line result from common cause built into the process. However, points outside the limit come from a special causes. As you can see in the diagram, upper is upper control limit and lower line is lower control limit, and the variation in the between these two lines for the stable system. Now I will explain control chart. A control chart is defined as a statistical tool used to detect the presence of assignable cause in a manufacturing system, and it will be influenced by the pure system of chance causes only. It developed in 1920. What are the objective of control chart? Control chart is the main topic of the quality control. Control chart are used as a source of information to help whether an item or item should be released to the customer. Control chart are used to decide when a normal pattern of variation occur, the process should be left alone. When an unstable pattern of variable occur, which indicates the presence of assignable cause, it requires an action to eliminate it. Control chart can be used to establish the product specification, to provide a method of instructing to the operating and supervisory personnel in the technique of quality control. All control chart have three basic components. A central line that represent the mean value of control process. Two horizontal lines called the upper control limit and the lower control limit that define the limit of common variable causes. Performance data plotted over time. Common cause in the process, normal noise. Special cause outside the process, extraordinary. Now, control chart are of two types: variable control chart and attribute control chart. I will explain both of the chart in my next video. Thank you. Thank you for watching.